Hi Paul, hi everyone. Thanks for the link, mate.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Alright, stream's up. Session. News. Set that over there. Trades. And put here.
You live streaming this one?
Yep.
Let's see how many people. Oh, you got 10 mans already.
Yep.
How's it going, guys?
Good, how are you?
Going. Oh, you got 10 mans already. Yeah. Someone's mic is echoing beer.
It was mine.
Oh.
Alright, I'll be back in a sec. And then we'll get started.
There we go. You all good? What you say, man?
What up, bro? I'm just chilling. How about you?
It's been a while, man. It's been a while. How's your week been? Good week? Bad week?
No, it's been a bad week. It's been my negative week. First losing week in like over 4 weeks.
Nah, don't chat.
Yeah, that's the most thing the worst, like that's the most thing I'm salty about. I don't want to ruin my streak.
Yeah, I get you. I know what you mean. When you're on a streak,
Yeah.
you don't want to give it up. But...
And now I'm back at the beginning. I'll see how long I can go. Having profitable weeks.
No, so I saw some of your trades being posted and stuff like. It seems like you knew what you were doing wrong. Man.
Yeah, it was just one of those weeks where I wish I realized what Gigi was doing earlier and just like forced myself to stop trading, but it took me too long.
Yeah, I got smashed the last week of the month for the past 2 months, so I was like, nah, it's not happening again. No, yeah, man. It's all good. Hopefully you have a good week next week.
Yeah, I think so, because ending of the week was really well. Like this Friday, I had a really good day of trading. Because price was reacting to price action, was doing whatever it wanted to do.
I didn't look at charts today. Did it move nice?
Yeah, it moved really nice. There's a couple of trades I know some of the people got earlier on, just like a lower high. They got caught, and I got a on like a 5 minute trade, so lower time frame. But it was moving well today. Price action. Then after I caught it, I seen. I think it was Josh. I seen it on the Wixponi's Instagram. He caught a nice sell. It broke this little support resistance it was at, and it dumped nicely. I seen.
Good stuff. It's nice today.
Like it should have been like heading down this whole week, but it was just playing. But it looks like it's back to normal.
Yeah. Was there news this week as well, or was it? It might have been the week before. One of these weeks there was news.
Yeah, I'm not sure. A lot of people think it's like I think there's a lot of news that it wasn't like anything like where like some sort of stats were coming up. It was more like news around the coronavirus and the uncertainty of that.
Yeah, 100%. There's been a lot of talk, hasn't there?
Yeah, don't quote me on it. That's what I heard from others.
Oh yeah, no, yeah. I'm the same. I don't have a clue. I just hear Boris talking. And you look at an hour later, and something's happened.
Yeah, that's what a lot of people were saying. Because it's like there's been so many talks that it kind of like messed with the markets a little bit. GJ especially.
It's a late one today, man.
Wait one second. Do I have an echo? Someone on chat said I have an echo. Do you hear echo in me?
No, you sound fine to me, man.
Okay. Chat, do I have an echo? If I do, just let me know. Just in case.
Zoom or YouTube? Zoom sounds fine.
I mean, yeah, that's for sure. I don't know if it's YouTube or Zoom. I don't see how many people show up today since it's like a Friday night.
To be fair, mate, it's 1:15 in the morning.
Really? That's
UK,
crazy.
It's like
In the UK, is it?
UK. Is this in the end of the UK?
Yeah. Chances we both have an echo for some reason. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm gonna mute myself and unmute myself real quick.
It could be me, to be fair, lads. Let me know.
Might be better now. I had the sound pretty loud while I was coaching.
I was going to say, it's probably coming out of someone's speaker and back into the mic.
Yeah, I think it's coming out of. Alright, someone talk again and see if it does it again.
Yo, what up, chat? Do I got an echo or no?
Nothing's changed, so it should be good.
Okay, we'll see.
It sounds fine from my perspective, anyway, from Zoom perspective.
Yeah.
The Zoom sounds perfect.
I think it's just that person's mic. Right here, let me turn
We-
this.
We got a decent amount showing up, like 80 people
Yep.
on a Friday night.
Alright, well, shall we?
We shall.
Welcome, Dallas.
Hello.
Alright, so we're gonna do 0.5% risk for everyone's position. Visual mode, no history on the chart. And then we'll get into. Let me fast forward us, and then you guys can take it over. Alright, we are at our 5 a.m. What do you want to see?
Can we
Actually-
just go to like,
Yep, real quick, let me. So, what's going to happen is I'm going to run the simulation, and everyone in the private group, whether subscription or mentorship, or Rick Hill's group is here today as well, but they're going to call out the trades, analyze together, and whatnot. So, that is what you can expect. So, if I'm just not saying anything, that's why. It's because when we do these in my group, they do the simulate, I just press the buttons. Alright, and we are set.
can we see like the higher time frame just drop down, like from 4 hour? Sorry, can we go back to 4 hour? I was just about to. Can we just have a zone drawn up along with this all the way across? And one with this going all the way across as it sees some sort of resistance possibly forming there.
Where again?
It's with this right here, all the way across. Does anybody else want to add anything in?
I can't see properly, but did this current 4 hour wick above the previous or not? Or is it?
Barely. Just
That
barely.
does not tempt me at all.
Right. 1 hour?
Yeah.
Alright, here's your 1 hour. Do you want to clean up? Should we clean up these zones?
Yeah, just like, yeah, move it up slightly. And I'll add a zone at the low down here.
Okay.
Anybody else want to add anything?
This is the 30-minute, that's fine.
the 30-minute.
15.
All right, let's both play.
You can drop to. He said 15.
Oh,
Okay. I would have a, yeah, like all the way across, if that's what the individual is saying also.
right here.
Yeah, that's what the individual is saying.
Can you measure this?
Yep.
Is that potentially like a down fake out on the downside or something?
I'm not a fan of the zone, but we're gonna mark it. I think most recent is gonna be here, and here, or maybe even here, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully, I think somebody in the group is gonna see what's happening here. I think Dallas was trying to map it out from here or here.
Just from here to here.
And before
17.
we start,
Okay.
before we start, I think this is going to do exactly what the market did here, where we had the one opposite close. We have this one opposite close. If this continues down, I think we should be good to head down here. Like how market repeats itself.
Yeah, I'll be taking this if it breaks there.
Mhm.
Because price broke below this little zone right here. And this is the retest. And it closed below here. So if we make a lower low to here, I'll be taking it down to here.
Okay. Hopefully, I
That's my
can
plan.
stop it in time.
You said this range was 17 pips, right?
Yep. From the bearish wick, it's about 22 from the bullish.
Okay.
All right. So if we break here, you want stop loss here, Dallas?
Yes, please.
Okay. I'm gonna just put a pending in, so we have it.
I'll take the same entry, but how many pips is the stop loss?
Stop loss is 7.9.
Okay, I'll take the exact same entry.
Okay.
With partial TP here, and then further TP down at the lower zone.
Okay. You'll have to remind me when we get there.
Okay.
So Dallas. Anyone else?
I'm going to get in when we break to 30 though. Please.
Is that this one or the bearish one?
I think that's that one.
This one? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit this one out.
Can I see the 30s for me?
30-minute top wick. Here's the.
And
So we are on the 50. We're on the 30-minute time frame right now.
and then what with the hourly? I'll see what the previous hour. Previous hour there was a doji. It broke above all of this. Okay, I'll actually. Can you flip back to a 50-minute?
Yep.
And can I just see what's the ratio from this top wick to the low down here?
About 14.
And then the 1 hour wick fill to the top? Would it be 1-to-1 at least or no? Risk to reward?
15, 16.
Okay. I'll take a buy here due to the fact that I think we're gonna have a possible wick fill to the upside.
Okay.
And in relation to the 4 hour, it looks more in the uptrend, so I would cancel the pending, so I'll enter a buy here with the stop loss in the current.
Target here.
Yeah, just the wick fill.
Okay.
Complete TP there.
Okay. And yes, this is back testing. I think I can set the comments down here. And we'll answer comments occasionally, but this is just for kind of note taking if you want, or whatever. Not much of a question type of stream, as this is their kind of simulation for the week. But we'll answer ones that we can. Right.
Yeah, Paul, you can cancel my pending. I'm gonna change it.
You're gonna wait?
Yeah, just cancel it.
Okay. What if you break those wicks down there or anything?
Yeah, too big of a stop loss
Perfect.
for me.
Garjat, anything?
No, it took me out, right?
Yep.
Yeah. No.
I think that was two. You had no. Hourly was still bearish. And you kind of just took over. If anything, you should have bought from here. Instead of.
Up at the top.
Because you just became that top wick.
Yeah.
If you see, we already tapped into here and rejected, and now we should fall to that support. This middle zone, I won't even have this on the chart.
Yeah, I was looking at possible backfill due to the zone that I had drawn up here. So it was kind of like an older zone like you're talking about.
Yep. So
So
this
because
is your
of this zone.
Yep. This is your most recent. So this is where we would make sense to fall to, versus because then if that's the case, we're not going to break this low. We're going to go break this high, but we couldn't get to the high, so we don't know if we're going to get there yet.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep. So
You're
Dallas
taking this break, please.
on this candle here or this wick here.
Up here.
Okay.
Please. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Where do you want your stop at? Just broke.
That's what, like 2 pips right there.
Maybe, yeah.
Actually, yeah, I think I want to take this. A little bit too small of a stop loss.
That one, yeah. Because that'd be the hourly low then as well, which then means you have an hourly making a new low to that doji hourly.
There we go.
Right.
Yeah, and then I'll have stop loss right there.
Yo, Paul.
Yo.
Yeah, sorry about that. I was just literally jumped on now. Saw your Discord link.
It's all good. Gerzat, anything? Anyone else? Anything?
Yeah,
Eric?
so I take the other one now. The other low.
You want in on this one right here?
The next low below the one on low. I'll enter it. Yeah.
This one?
Below that one. Yeah.
Okay.
Stop loss above the current.
Okay. How come not this current hourly we just broke? What's the analysis on that lower wick versus the most recent hourly?
Safer entry for me.
Okay.
Be sure that it goes.
Perfect. Just wanted to hear it.
Yeah.
So then there's reasoning.
I see the setup, but I'm gonna just hold off on just watch it play out because I just took the buy.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just let it play out further. But I see the exact same setup with the lower high to continue heading down. Makes sense.
Paul, I actually just finished doing my simulation for my next YouTube video.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was good. I did like 4 days worth of trading session, and it was like positive 3.4%. So not bad.
Nice.
I'm gonna enter again.
You want to enter here?
Yes.
Yeah, looks like it's closing below that support there.
Stop here
That-
still.
Yeah, I'll have stop loss up there.
Same
Thomas,
TP.
may I ask why you re-entered? Like added more positions here? Like what was the confirmation for that?
My first one got stopped out actually.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, it did. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, I thought you still lived.
I did too.
There's just a bit of a tight stop loss. That's all.
Mm.
It's the right idea.
So this was just a re-entry. Okay, I
Yeah.
understand.
I'm trying to read the comments, but got a lot going on, so. I'm still on the 15-minute time frame.
But this is kind of like the perfect setup that we always look for, the
Yep.
lower high.
Yep. As soon as we broke here, that was perfect right there. That one would have been good too.
Yeah.
And can you bring my stop loss down to here?
Yep.
Gonna tighten it up a little bit.
Now I got a quick question for you guys. So see how when Dallas was in this original position, I was kind of like a tight stop loss.
Mm-hmm.
Would you set like just like a one time like 10 pips for say okay the stop loss is too tight 2 pips so you just set it automatically at 10 pips? Would you ever take a sort of stop loss like that or no? When you're in this sort of situation where you know it's gonna most likely head down, but you don't know how it's gonna come up first.
I mean, if it's like 2 pips, I'm gonna set it for at least like 5 to 7. Versus like if it looks like this, I would have put it just on like the middle of the candle, or checked a 5 minute, or just let it go and waited for a different candle.
Got it.
So or just put it kind of at the body up here, just so it had some room to breathe. But no more than 10 pips on it. And then this is the start of a new hourly candle too, so if it doesn't just follow the support, you might see some sort of top wick, maybe a retest up here again. But looking like we're going to just hit that support.
Can you go break even for me?
Yeah, I take break even to what?
Okay. Alright. There you go. TP hit.
Nice.
See how the
Why-
30
why did
minutes.
Why did you come out your position, Gurge, earlier? Like you had a sale and I think you cancelled it or something.
Yeah, because I went for my bias changed due to the fact that I was looking at the hourly and looking at a possible wick fill first.
Sure.
So that was the reason. I saw the setup too, but I just didn't take it because like I was just in a buy 2 seconds before.
Yeah.
Like in a live session, I would. But I'm just trying to learn here.
Yeah, no, I'm just trying to grasp your understanding.
Yeah. It was due to the wick fill I saw, and my mistake was how Paul said that it was. I looked at an older zone, then looking at a more recent zone up here.
Gotcha. Yes.
Yep. So yeah, it was just a move down. It was kind of created a low here, came back up. I mean, it didn't really make a lower high, but it didn't make a higher high, and it just hit that resistance. And then we fell back to the low and made a lower low. So maybe on the next lower high, you look to get in for for something else if this thing doesn't keep tanking.
Yeah, I should have closed partials.
Yeah,
Do you guys leave runners or no?
sometimes.
Terrible at it, but I still try.
So we'll go to the next day.
Paul, can I jump in the next one?
Yeah, you can jump in whenever. It's the normal simulation for you guys. Just going live this time for this one time.
Cool.
So here's your 5 a.m. Start 30 minute. That's what your 4 hour looks like. And delete this real quick.
Is this just Asian session or?
New York.
Okay.
Yep. I think next time we'll do Asian. That'd be good.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So there's your 4 hour. Looking like you're kind of bullish.
Can you see a zone down there at the low?
The body or the low?
The body, just with the bodies with slightly little bit of wicks. And down the lower time frames, I can adjust that.
Alright. Anyone else? Anything?
Hourly? Can you just drag it to the left just a little bit? Oh, never mind.
Yep.
Let's see.
I see a really good move.
You can, I see a, can you draw a zone up here? Here's my question. Would you draw the zone at the bottom mix and kind of look at the support, or like the top, you could say?
I would go at the bottom just to be safe.
Okay.
especially since it's in a downtrend. Maybe some sort of retest up here.
Paul, I put a zone here.
Okay, I was just about to draw one there. You want one up there? Whoever drew that arrow, does that mean you want a zone up there? Just draw that little 30-minute level up here. Okay. Alright, so you guys looking for buys or sells? What are you thinking?
Buys.
Yeah.
Good.
Can you just go to the 15 really quick?
Yep, someone's echoing really bad.
Was it me?
I think it was Dallas.
Oh.
Alright, here's your 15. There's your 1 hour. Just had a new hourly open too, so maybe wait for that first 15-minute candle. And then if you look up to the left above that last little area, we got nothing but a nice move up if we can get up there. So maybe that's what we kind of look for, or maybe some sort of support, but I think ideally our best one would be up here, or maybe support right here.
I'm hoping for a 30-minute bullish candle at least.
Okay, check out our 30. Got 9 minutes for this 30 to close.
And draw a zone right here.
Yep. This should be 5:30 a.m. Central Time right here. So we'll check out the 15. That was our hourly open, and we kind of fell down. So I think with two bearish hourlies, your next bet would be a bullish 30-minute, and then maybe a new high, or the hourly to pull back and go bullish maybe. Bullish hourly.
Wait, can you go to the 15 real quick?
Yep. Possibly. 4 hour looks like this. So you got, here's your 15-minute close like that. Any decisions from here? Before price goes up or down? Yep, pre-New York, Mary. New York starts in, I think it's an hour it starts.
I'm waiting for a 30-minute bullish close and entering at the high of that for myself.
Okay.
Yes, see.
So we got 4 minutes. Looking like we found some support. So you probably could have capitalized on it on the 15-minute, but I think the 30-minute was better because of what we have up to the left up here. That'd be better, but this would have also worked if you did take it.
The 50-minute just didn't feel comfortable with it due to like those bullish candles we had.
Is there a certain situation you feel more comfortable with the 15 over the 30? Any particular setup or?
For me, yeah, if the hourly's still in my direction, then I feel comfortable with it. But if I'm trading against an hourly, like if I'm looking for buys and that previous hourly's bearish, unless it's like the 15-minute entry is above that bearish hourly, then I would like to see a 30-minute and then either take it on that next 30-minute high or drop into the 15 after 30 minutes in my direction.
Jeez.
So this is a new hourly close, like this. We have a bullish 30-minute. Before it does anything, anyone have any ideas?
I would enter the high with the stop loss being on the current to take it up to here. Then my runner target would be all the way up at this higher zone.
Me too, exactly.
Can I draw on there as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was going to say I'll probably only look for a buy above this area or sell below this area here.
I like it.
Sorry, I used the wrong arrow there, I just realised.
No, you're good.
Yeah, I think I said it was the close of this bullish candle.
The close or the wick?
The wick.
Okay. Yep. Same idea there still for you, Ryan? Okay.
Yeah.
And then where do you want your stop loss?
I'll take my stop just a little bit above, probably 5 pips above this resistance, this support.
Okay.
Can I just see what the measure is to this lower zone here, the lower wicks?
Yep, hold on. You want 5 pips. So right here is 13 pips. Is that good? And then your target, are you looking down here?
Yeah.
Okay. So you want stop loss good there, or you want it like middle
Yeah,
of it?
let me see the 1 hour. Give me. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
My first take profit can be.
I would like an entry below of this candle.
Hey. Yours out, what were you saying?
I don't see the range, how many pips will these this next zone.
20.
Oh, with the high, the complete high of this.
34, 35.
I'm gonna hold off until it makes a bigger top wick for me here.
Alfredo, did you say you wanted something in? Right.
Is this hour open?
Nope. You have 26 minutes left for this hourly candle.
Right.
So.
Alright, I want to take partial right here.
Okay.
Break even.
Break even and partial?
Yeah, 50%.
Alright. Perfect. Yeah, I think that's going to hit your TP.
Secure another.
Another 50?
Yeah. Move very fast.
Yeah. It's ticking a little quick, so. Do you want to finish securing what's left at that wick right there, or let it run?
Let it run, let it run.
Okay. Link to simulator, just go to soft4fx.com and you can get it there. Believe it's $100 or something.
If it breaks back the high of this, the open of this current candle close, alright?
Yep.
Yeah, there'll be no trade for me there, Paul.
Okay. You want to just take it while it's down here, or just let it go still?
Yeah, take it, take it.
Okay. So we are 6 minutes away from New York Open. We're seeing a little bit of a pullback, maybe a retest. Alright, so that was our 30-minute. Oh, nope, we still have 30 minutes till the NY Open. Look at our 15-minute, we got this.
Can we see the 4 hour real quick here, please?
I'll take a possible entry on the 15-minute there.
When it breaks here.
Yeah, and then stop loss on the current, and then target would be the low down here.
Okay. Down here? Or the wick?
Yeah, the body, the body.
Okay. Anyone else? Does it work on Mac? No, you need Windows. Your trade is not in yet. Do you want to move that stop loss if that breaks there?
Yeah, the new current.
Okay.
Lets me optimize my risk to reward.
Yep. So then here.
So my risk there was now 13 pips.
Yep, and you originally had 26, and now you're gaining 30 pips.
Okay, much better risk to reward there, almost 1, 2.
Yep.
Well, above 1 to 2.
Yep.
Did it trigger your trade?
He closed it and then made a better trade with a better stop loss.
Right.
So it did not trigger, and he entered in this one.
And as soon as it gets to 1 to 1, I'm gonna go break even.
Okay. I believe right under that zone is your 1 to 1. You want to go break even now, or let this keep pushing a little bit? You're up. Measure this real quick. You risked 13. You're up about 12.
So I'll secure 50% there and go break even.
Ooh.
Tapped you out. That's why you protect those profits.
Yeah, that's why I always go break even 1 to 1.
Yeah, plus that was NY Open too, so that was a new hourly top wick. So all it did was make an hourly top wick.
Yeah, to possibly continue down.
Unless we hold at this support and we make higher lows, then we'll go up. 4 hour. Yep, so 4 hour just tapped into there, which is why we got that extra aggressive reaction from what I would assume.
Quite a lot for our opening otherwise.
Yep, so this is a 30-minute time frame. So we didn't break any 30-minute highs yet, or hourly, so that's still good. I think once we start to see that, we can maybe say we're going to be done heading down for now. Looks like it's struggling at that wick up there to make a new high. Okay, so 4 minutes. 2, 1. So this is what the hourly looks like now. Here's your 15-minute. Anything here for anyone?
At 15 is almost no bottom wick. So, yeah. I'm not trading, I'm just observing. I think this has potential to continue up. Just an observation.
Okay, we'll see what happens. Nobody's got a trade. I think if we stay under that previous 15, I think we're going to fill this wick here. Yeah, if we break under here, I think that would work out
What's
really
the minute
nice.
looking like? Oh,
Just broke the previous bullish 30-minute.
well, how big's the stop to the top of this current candle?
20. Target is 32.
No, I'd still say yeah.
Yeah, stops are pretty big, but targets are pretty big too.
Yeah, I guess it's having that discipline to weigh it up and say, no, not the risk to reward doesn't add up.
Yeah, I didn't really like that hourly was, even though it did break that, and you could have secured 1-to-1 here and went break even, then got stopped out. The fact that there was no bottom wick, and we're coming into these wicks, and we didn't close anything underneath here, and the way the 4-hour looks, it just doesn't look. It just didn't look great that there was no bottom wick at this open, because then we just kind of made one, rejected this area, and we should see higher lows to go up now. So it'll probably just look like a fake out. Yep, so a fake out on the 15. If we break above here, we kind of break above all this little lower high structure, and we'll probably go retest this level here. Unless we keep making lower lows and lower highs, then we keep coming down. But I think because the 15 looks so messy, you're probably better off just looking at the 30-minute. And I think this looks good to wick fill up here and retest up here. But we'll see what happens. If we close bearish, then probably look to keep coming down, but I have a feeling we might try to pull towards this wick.
I would look for a bearish close and a break of the bearish low for any sort of entry or trade now.
Okay. Got 9 minutes. If we close bearish, we could fill that wick down and then hit that bearish wick we were looking at. So 15-minute just broke that low there. I don't know if anyone wants in on that. $30-minute looks like it's going to try to close bearish in a minute. Oh, so we close like that. So this is kind of what we did on, when was it? I think it was one of the Asian sessions this week. I think it was Monday. We bought above a weak bullish candle with higher lows and higher highs. So maybe this is one of those times that if it breaks this weak close, it's going to be continuing up.
I got a question here for you.
Yep.
So this is slightly different. So these are closing weak,
Yep.
kind of showing there's lack of movement to the upside.
Mm-hmm.
Would you in any way take an entry at this break of this 30-minute low to quickly get a quick scalp to this wick fill?
Yeah, I would target this wick too. Yep, that's actually what I was looking at as well, based on the hourly. Now the hourly has a top wick, lower high, lower high, lower high. 30 minutes still never made new highs. So if we make new lows on the 30-minute, makes sense for the hourly to come
Yeah.
down as well.
The only thing I don't like about the trade is that it has no top wick. Yeah, I'd rather wait for a top wick to form than get in there and trade.
The hourly has a top wick though, so
Yeah, no, I see that. This like it doesn't have to create top wick, but for me personally, I'd rather have it. I feel more comfortable. But wait,
and this is the 30-minute, not the 15 too.
yeah, what is this? The difference between this? How many pips?
That's 26. Right here is about 16.
And then to the quick fill.
21, and
Yeah.
then 35.
Yeah, I'd rather hold off on this and wait for a close then, because I want that top wick to have a better stop loss.
Gotcha. I think it looks good. If we break that, I think we're going to see a nice move down. But you never know. Yeah, that would have stopped you out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that could be the rocket ship candle. 2 push up.
Looks
1
like
hour
it
is
is.
going up. Yep. 1 hour is bullish. And we went up.
That's why I always prefer to wait for a 30-minute, because even if this did come back down to create a top wick, I would have been out.
Yeah, typically that does work out better. But sometimes it just goes on those kind of candles.
Yeah, no, I agree.
Yep. So this session's pretty much over. Go to the next day, actually. What time is it? Yeah, we haven't even hit London close yet, so see what the next 30-minute or so does. See how we kind of react at this zone here. So if you were using your 2-hour bias with these candles, you'd have been looking for buys, and you would have taken a buy right there and had a nice no drawdown trade.
Can you drop down to 15? Now that we came back up to this zone up here, I'm gonna look for some sort of. Oh, 15 is too messy.
That's why I said 30-minute looks better.
Yeah, never mind. I'm still looking for the same sort of close, 30-minute close, bearish close and break of that low. Because if this 30-minute close is bearish, this means he has some sort of nice rejection based off the zone that we have drawn up here.
Or even right here where we closed underneath.
Oh yeah.
Yet again. So there's your 15-minute close.
Still just slightly too messy due to the amount of wicks and then the area again.
Yeah. This kind of was just a fake out above here. Also still under here on the 30-minute. So you could have caught that, but 15-minute was not promising. 30-minute is now made lower low, lower high. Looking like we're going to get a bearish close. That could be a much better trade. If it keeps running, that would have been the move from up near the top on the 15, and then you kind of just missed it. It just made a lower high on the higher time frame.
Yeah. Can I just see where this next zone is? The target zone?
Underneath here?
Yeah, like on the hourly, possibly.
Um,
Can we go to the left?
yeah, we can.
You gotta click the other one too, I think so.
This one?
Yeah, there you go. So we're super kind of clean to the left, just a couple of them. Can you drop down to 30-minute?
I don't know if 30-minute will show clearly that far left.
You're gonna have to, yeah, do the same things.
Yeah, but no, it's gonna be too skinny.
Oh, okay. I would have a just zone at the top. Where is my amplification tool? 1 second, sorry. At the top here, because it looks like we're breaking past this. And then I'll have one also going across these wicks right here, which is the same as the hourly.
So right here?
Yeah. So
Okay.
at the Well, which is nice. It works out with the wick fill.
Zoom in.
How I look
Yeah,
at
you
this
break
now,
this
Paul,
thing,
is that
that
there's
would
been a break.
What's up?
Yeah, how I'm looking at this now is that there has been a break of that strong support.
Yep.
And a possible retest is taking place now. So this candle broke. This is retesting. I'm anticipating something to come up and push back down. So at least this level has been point there.
Yep. So the 15-minute, like Gerzat was saying, it looked messy, but our 30-minute looked good. So if we look at the 15-minute, even though it looks messy, we know our 30 minutes got cleaner candles. This closed above here, right? This is exactly what we did on Thursday. We closed above. This closed here, kinda above, kinda not above. How do you know? You know because this candle made a lower high and a lower low and came down. It's exactly what we did on Thursday for Asian session. Because if this was support, why did this one close so strong bearish and then make another lower low and lower high and continue down? Because it wasn't support. It was at this 30-minute level right here. So if we mark up this 30-minute zone here, clone that, we'll go to the 15. So this one is not. So you see, we closed above this little 30-minute area, closed right back under, and made lower lows, lower highs, price came down. So that's how you could have mapped out this trade here to catch this. Also, let me clear those annotations. All it did was make a lower high, and it made you think price was going up. Lower high, lower high, lower high. So this just pushed up and tapped here, which was also exactly, if we pull up that chart from Trello on Thursday, you're going to see that 15-minute line that I drew, that blue line on the live stream. It's exactly what we did.
Yeah, the only difference is it had this like one bearish candle, and if this was like a bullish candle, it would have been the exact same, like super clean.
Yep. Yeah, this actually looks exactly the same as my MT4 did, identical. But that's how you could have caught that, or at least anticipated or knew what was going on. Because if this is support, we make higher highs and higher lows. See, higher high, higher low, we go up. Higher low, we go up. Higher low, we go up. We don't make support by making lower lows and lower highs. Same thing here. This one's kind of that one random wick, but you don't sell down here when your zone's up here. You try to get it closer to the zone, and then again, higher low and up. Higher low. This one was still higher low than here. Higher low and up. Higher low and up. So that's how you can kind of tell that this was not support, it was resistance. Because if it was support, we would have broken above here, not below here. Alright. So what are the entries for people?
I'm watching on the 30-minute, letting it create top wick, entering at the low to get this wick fill and then the target.
Alright, I think that broke it. So
I'll take that. And if it does come back and take me out, I'll take a re-entry because I'm confident that this is going to continue heading down.
okay, I gave it a little room to breathe, so it's a 9-pip stop.
Yeah, I'll take one of those entries.
Is that you, Ryan? You want one?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, just making because I label whose trades they are, so I know who's to close. So I was just making sure. Same target, same stop loss.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I'll take the same trades as well, please, Paul.
Yep.
Yeah, this is kind of like the thing you were saying where if you look at this as like the range top to the bottom, I know it's kind of creating like the structure. This kind of clear this node to continue heading down.
Yep.
It's just not as clear, but same sort of setup.
Yep. Yeah, no problem, Saf. That's why we do this. So just Gerzat, Ryan, and Harrison. Did I miss anyone?
I didn't take it out.
Oh, who was that? Was that Hasib?
Yeah.
Okay. See what happens.
I'll take a re-entry if it does come back down though.
Right there.
Yeah, because give a second try to this. Because I am confident that it will at least do the wick fill.
Okay.
I would probably keep my stop loss like above that resistance. Like no, down.
Like right here.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you want in this one too?
Yes, and then same TP.
Stop loss up here though.
Yes.
Okay. So little over 1-to-1. So that is perfect. Sharma with the trade. And wicked out again.
Me?
No, I'm just joking.
Oh, I was like, bro.
I mean, GJ might not be joking, but I was joking. Yeah, GJ did not like you.
Yeah.
So what happened there, Gurjat? We do this every simulation. What am I gonna say? What did you sell?
Me selling at the low.
Yep. Sold the low. Your
Yeah.
sells were up here. This was the move. You're trying to catch extra.
Catch it too late, right?
Yep. So this
'Cause
down move was this big bearish candle was like the move, you could say.
Yeah.
Yep.
That-
Paul, can I just... Sorry.
No, go for it. That's all
Go
I'm
ahead.
saying.
No, I was just going to say, I think the one thing you didn't look at was that we had like this area here too. This
Okay.
support down over here.
Yep.
So
Yeah.
price is sort of reacting to that. So I think if you saw like a close below that level, then you could say that we will come down and fill the wick and maybe continue and make a new low. So
Yep.
that's what I'd be looking at.
I like it. I
Yeah.
do
Look
think-
at the bodies.
Yep, it does look like, so this has now made our lower low below here and kind of tapped into this support, but still made lower lows to kind of this down movement it's going. So if we get resistance again under here, maybe then we'll push through here and fill that wick. Because if this is support, like Harrison was saying, we should not be coming below this candle. We should be making higher lows and going above. So if we get below here, I think we'll see this wick get past.
Mm-hmm.
And it is, there's still a little time left in the session. I think it's maybe like 8:30 Central Time, something like that. So this will be hourly close actually. So how is this looking? So this is your hourly close right here. I think this hourly close is going to tell you a lot.
It's a nasty wick, though.
Mm-hmm. It's soft for FX.
If it does, I was gonna say, okay, cool. It's kind of created like a strong. You guys look at this as like a strong support though, because it came down multiple times, right?
Mm.
And he kind of couldn't break it.
So this is a really strong area, but if we make lower lows and lower highs, we break through support. So if we see
Can I
candles still getting under here, then I believe this will break.
Can I see the 30 minute?
Yep. Harrison,
Yeah,
what were you
I was
gonna
about
say?
to say that. Yeah, I was going to say that too.
Yep. Yeah. Because then, if that's the case, this one made a higher low to this one. If we come all the way back and we break this, why would we make another lower low but make a higher low here and then come back up? That doesn't make a lot of sense. I think this can still come down. It just needs to kind of hit a resistance to then bring us down. And this one made that big lower low for a reason. It just is not finishing it yet. 30 minute.
So Paul, I was going to say, based on the 30 minute, if this this current 30 minute breaks the high of that bullish one, then if you could enter me in a buy, please.
Above where? This one right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I want to see how the bottom wick forms first.
Yeah, I'll keep it going slow. Hopefully I can catch it in time. Alright, you want it right there?
Yep. Yeah.
Stop loss right here.
Yeah, just a little bit below that. Yeah, that's fine. and then just put TP wherever. Well, not obviously wherever, but
Um,
I'll secure if you could secure 70% at 10 pips.
okay, your stop loss is 14, so do you want to secure at 14 or 10?
No, it's still 10. That's fine.
Okay.
Do you guys see this as some sort of possible traffic? I mean, not traffic, resistance area?
Yep. Yeah, I just put it higher because it's just going to be his runner. That's all.
Oh, okay.
Yep, that's all.
Sorry.
Anyone else? Just Harrison?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
gonna sit out.
Yeah, could you enter mine at the wick fill, like right above that?
I know what you're talking about. So you want TP up here too?
Just below that, right above the second candle that's coming down.
This one?
Up. No, a little up. Up, right there.
Okay. Stop loss, same spot?
Yes.
Alright. Who else wanted in? Was there anyone else? Alright, here we go.
Can I watch on the 15-minute though? Okay.
Remember, if we break that bearish wick, we kind of break out of that bearish lower low, lower high.
Also, Paul, could you take out 50% for mine at 152.400?
Yep. That was the first 15 of the hourly too, just so you guys know.
If this does close bearish and then it breaks a high, that would be a stronger confirmation to me up to the zone.
Yep. Yeah, I think the first 15 minutes of the hourly were probably better, as it needed to make that bottom wick, even though it did break above. Yeah. I like the idea though, for sure. Probably something I would have taken live, just not that first 15 minutes. So I do think this should continue.
Just trying to create a bigger for the hourly possibly.
Yep, just hourly bottom wick. It always, once you have that first 15 minutes established, if it makes it, then I think that's better to get in on. Is that because I don't like the first 15 minutes of the hourly personally. I always tend to wait on that.
I'll take a buy once it breaks its top wick here.
Okay.
Because if it does, it's breaking the kind of last little bit area, like the last wick, to continue all the way up to this resistance.
Yep.
Yeah, that was my same thought process, that after it comes back down and then it does that retest that I just did and continues up and breaks that wick, it should be continuing up.
Yep.
There won't be a re-entry for me.
Okay.
Just because of that support that we have to the left. So I think I'm gonna sit the re-entry out.
The support?
Yeah, it was on the 30-minute.
Oh, okay.
There's clean candles down.
That's what I'm looking at. That's what
I
I'm
see.
looking at.
I see that too. I got a question for it. So how do you guys feel? This kind of, this kind of just range here. So like, it's kind of hard to tell what your price is gonna go until it does the move, right? Because this kind of ranging here in this larger range, more clean moves but larger range.
What I'm looking at is, if you look on the left side of where Paul's this order box is.
Yep.
It kind of does the same on the other side.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, right here. It's kind of doing the same thing, right? It comes down and then it's like in a little range area. Let's see if I could annotate just so you can see better what I'm trying to say. But where's that from? So it comes down, right? Like right here.
Yeah.
I can't move that, but damn. Okay. Alright, so right here, it comes down. And then after this point, it kind of continues up. And then right here, it's in a range. Comes back down again, right? And then goes back up, and then it's kind of in a range right here. And then it continues down. But it continues to make like these higher wicks. and then after that it continues down. Do you get what I'm trying to say here?
Yep. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
so-
it. That's what GJ does whenever we get that weaker close, going up
Yeah.
or down with the like trend or momentum. It'll
Yeah.
kind of wick above or below, and then come back close, and then you see a big push.
Right. And then overall on this side we're like as is overall we're in a downtrend over here. Like from the top to the bottom. So I think it's still a good sell.
Yeah, I mean the way the 15-minute close is like it's forming support. I think that it should continue moving bullish.
Yeah, that was a good retest of the support right there.
Yeah,
I kind of
think
look at that as like a confirmation that okay, it broke that little resistance, price came back, kind of confirmed that okay, now it's a strong support, and then it continues up after that. That's how I like to think about it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Just by watching what the market is doing now, like not from previous, just like what is printing on now. If it did break this 15-minute high, I would take the entry, up till resistance still, with the stop loss under.
That's exactly what I was looking at.
Cause like I get that it can continue down, but I'm just looking at what is printing at the moment, trying to
Yep.
base to see what the next 15 or 30 minutes is gonna look like.
Yeah, because if this is going to be resistance to take price down, why are we at this resistance making higher highs and higher lows and closing bullish? Because otherwise we have this bearish candle that tapped into it, just like the other one did, with another lower high. So we should be making lower lows, lower highs, not higher highs, higher lows.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll see what happens. I think if you break this wick here, you're gonna be good. Same thing with Sharma's entry. Yep, I think we're good to that next resistance level. Unless this is just one of those wicks that you know.
Yeah, I know what GG does sometimes.
Kick you in the nuts kind of thing.
This past week though, even though it's been like kind of a shitty week with all the ranging and stuff, I thought it was a really good like learning opportunity. Like I did paper trading this week, most of this week, but just going back and looking at it, like all those trades where I could have taken entry and all of that, I thought it was a pretty good learning opportunity.
Oh, 100%.
I would go break even if this was 1-to-1, secure 50% already. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you.
No, you're good. I was about to do it for you. It's actually almost 2-to-1 for you.
Yeah, so I'm securing 50% and then going break even for sure, and then I'll secure the next 25% at this target, and then leave the last 25% kind of like a super runner target, even though I know it's gonna get hit most likely.
Okay, where's your ultimate target? I can only place one.
It would be like I would have to watch like on the higher time frames, but as of right now, just at the top zone.
Okay, we'll just leave it. I'll move it up there then. So we'll just set it up.
Paul, do you mind if I have a look at it? What's going on from the 30-minute?
Yep.
Yes, I was kind of expecting. Yeah, I was kind of expecting that previous 30-minute to do what this candle's doing now. So, I suppose I could have taken a re-entry, but to be honest, it's just one of those like just calling it out. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I thought the re-entry was good because just the first 15 minutes of the hourly, especially when it looks like this, you're gonna need a down wick. So just let it create, and if it does go, and like Sharma had it up here, if it has that kind of volume and it breaks 2 hourly candles, you're gonna clearly get a really nice push up there, kind of like this big candle here. You'll get another nice big candle as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, because breaking 2 hourlies would be a lot of volume really quickly.
Mhm.
Yep. But the idea was right. It's just that first 15 minutes of the hourly is you got wicked out by like a pip. So
You
yeah,
guys
it's fine.
closing any partials?
yeah, Sharma, you want break even or close anything yet?
Yeah, I'll take a break even at this point.
Okay, close anything yet or no?
Yeah, close 50%.
Okay. Back in the blue. Look at that.
Sorry, it just looked a long way, so I just thought I'd mention it.
I would secure everything, Paul.
Right now.
Yeah. Usually I leave runners going. The only reason I just got to quickly head out, I didn't mean to interrupt you, but this also reacted at this resistance, I would say. with this wick.
Okay.
The slight pullback.
Sharma, anything yet? Take it out, let it go.
What time frame? 30-minute? Can I look at the 15-minute, please?
Ooh.
No, I'm gonna let this run.
Okay. If we break that high, it looks like we should get to that higher resistance at the 600 or the 700.
If this closes bearish, then definitely I'll take everything out. But
Okay.
yeah, we broke. I think it's pretty much clean. We should be going up now.
Yeah, 30 minutes, nice. We're above that bearish one now, so see how we react.
Yep.
See you later, buddy. Hourly, that was an hourly close too, so there's your hourly. I think you're good to that resistance up here.
I like to take, like, I like to place my TPs if I'm selling, like, right above the support,
Mhm.
and if I'm buying, like, right below the resistance, because sometimes it wicks and just drops
Yep.
right after.
Yep, it'll like just get to it.
Yeah.
Yep, that's why I'll typically take it just before the bodies.
Right.
So I would take it like right under here.
Right.
Yeah.
And then, like, if I want to look to re-enter, and I think, like, you know, it's part of my trading plan, then I'll look after it breaks that resistance or support level.
Okay. Did you want to do anything right here or just let it hit?
No, just let it hit. We're close.
That's always where it starts to move the slowest is when it's right there. It just takes forever. It's like the longest 5-minute candle.
Yeah. We're also breaking past, like, all the, like, the 4 wicks on the left side.
Yep.
Very
Yep. Yeah, just a little extra Friday thing.
Paul, I'm gonna actually have to get going, but thanks for doing this.
Hey, bro. Yeah, we'll probably be ending it pretty soon here.
Alright then. I'll see you all Sunday.
Yes, sir.
See you, everyone.
See you later.
Yeah, mate. Yeah, thanks, Paul.
Yep.
It's very late here. I'm gonna shoot off to almost 2 a.m.
Oh, get to bed, bro.
Cheers, bro. Thank you.
And Sharma hit TP, and we're going to end on that note. Did about an hour today, a little over. Beautiful. Nice job, Sharma. That was beautiful. Alright, so ended up in the blue a little bit. A few little wicked outs, whatnot, but overall, good session. We did 2 days worth. We risked 0.5%, made 0.63. Not bad, but hopefully you guys were able to benefit a little bit. This is what we do in the either mentorship or subscription group every Saturday or Sunday. So I will see everyone on Sunday, per usual, for the live stream.
Thank you, Paul.
Yep. See you later.
Cheers, Paul.